Hello traders, I hope you are banking good profit today, and most of my traders bank amazing profit. They've been banking profit from yesterday. But if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So some of the traders, they were holding trades from last night, from yesterday, and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyzed this morning and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, so feel free to subscribe this channel. As always, let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, and if you look at the 4 hour, as mentioned in my previous analysis, we were looking this breakout. And technically, as I said to my trader, this was the bearish flag pattern. If you look at, we have this continuation. So this is the consolidation correction, and this is the continuation, right? So this, once we have this rejection yesterday, so we were expecting if the price gonna break, and that's why we take pullback short trade. So we haven't missed any pullback in intraday and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you the entries and exit. And if I show you here on intraday system, that's why we have our intraday system, which help us to refine the entries and exit. So okay, so let me share with you from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday New York session analysis, this we were short, bank beautiful pips. So after banking these pips, I did another analysis at the Asian session, guys. So just keep taking a pullback, as you can see here. So after banking some profit, we have one pullback, second pullback, bank beautiful pips. So this morning, again, as I said to my trader, we are looking at short. That's our first priority. Only if the price is going to break this previous high, then and retest, then we're going to long. Otherwise, keep taking a pullback short trader, because the major structure was broken in 4 hour. So we have taken another short trade here. We have another short trade here. As soon as the price hit over target in our intraday system, that's what explained my trader it's time to bank some profit. So once we bank some profit, as you can see here, the price came back reverse. But as I said to you, we are trading towards the trend and momentum. I said to my trader, let's wait, see the price action. And as you can see here, so we have this, but technically we have a bearish flag pattern, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout price retest, another pullback here. So we had another beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price was developing a double bottom here, as explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Some of the traders, they are still holding short. So you can see, guys, how we analyze in 4 hour and how we analyze entries and exit and bank profit. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Again, more or less the same like 4 hour charts. We've been short from here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, the video link is given. So we were expecting this breakout, same sort of pattern. We have a continuation, we have a correction, and that's the continuation. So we have taken all these pullbacks, short trade here, and we just banked beautiful pips. As you can see here, the price nicely respected previously, you can see here. So I said to my trader, just take some profit and we'll see at the New York session. So if you look at here right now, the price develop another downside channel pattern. We'll let you know if the price is going to respect or not. But let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. That was a beautiful, and explain to my trader, every time when the price moves up, develop a pullback, just keep taking it, guys. We had an amazing trade, guys. And just okay, so you can see here, this was the trade yesterday. We had it when the price was at this level in 4 hour. In intraday, develop head and shoulder pattern. That's what I mentioned you yesterday. So we have taken all the short trade from here to here at this level. So we banked all this profit yesterday, the New York session, and this even Asian session. I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback, guys. So we had this one pullback, beautiful this morning, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, as soon as the banking profit, price came back. I said, guys, look for another pullback or look for this wedge breakout. Once the price develop a double top here at the resistance level, which is broken, so we have taken the short trade here, hit, bank some profit. Let's see another pullback. So as you can see here, price nicely reverse, develop another pattern. I said Most of the traders was expecting going to reverse. I say, guys, as long as the price does not break the previous or recent high, and after the breakout, if price does not retest, don't even think, because we have major structure broken. Just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, price nicely broken this pattern, beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the support level, and bang, another beautiful pip. So that's why most of the traders, they were keep taking a banking a profit, making more than 200-300 pips today. If you look at the dollar CAD pretty straightforward. As you can see here, in 4 hour, price nicely respected here, and afterwards we were looking here, and price nicely respected the monthly support as mentioned in my previous analysis. So, and even though price looks like developing a head and shoulder pattern, but it's too early to say. We don't consider head and shoulder pattern unless the price is going to break the previous low. So there's still possibilities price might going to break, or if the price develop a false breakout, then possibility of look for short counter. But at the moment, our bias is long on dollar CAD. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And as mentioned in my yesterday analysis, we have this breakout, and after this banking some profit, and I said to my trader, just keep taking another pullback. So we have another beautiful small pullback this morning. As you can see here, price impulsively reverse, and that's what I said to my trader, look, if the price, we can see here technically, if you look at here, we have a third touch, and I say if the price is going to break this one, then long. If the price is going to break, then take a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respecting it, this trend support line, nicely broken this level, beautiful, and the target was the first fib channel, which is technically the previous high. In 4 hour, we bank amazing profit. So you guys, you can see here how we analyze and bank some profit. The best trade we had at all the yen pairs. Most of the traders squeeze amazing pips. If you look at here, we have this major structure broken. That was a beautiful short trade here, and as you can see here, all of them, if you look at it, we've been short from yesterday. Okay, so this was the, let me share with you. Okay, this was the last night, because we were expecting here the price broken and retest here. As you can see here in intraday, that was the beautiful breakout, pullback, banking beautiful pips. Even this morning we have another asset to guys, just keep taking a pullback, guys. You can see here pullback, we have one pullback, second pullback, banking another profit. Same thing here, once the price developed double bottom here, we were expecting most might gonna break this previous high, but again price nicely broken, another short trade here, banking some profit. Then we have another structure develop in intraday. As long as the momentum was bearish, we would just keep taking a pullback, guys. We have banked beautiful pips, amazing trades on pound, dollar, yen, and we have a beautiful trades on euro yen. You can see here that was the major structure broken here. As you can see here, beautiful breakout. We have taken all these pullback. So all the yen pair we were short, guys, and we bank amazing profit, guys. You can see here that was the beautiful, you can see here that was the breakout yesterday. Then we have another pullback here, we have another short trade here. You can see a break and retest, and another one short trade here. We have another one short trade here. So you can see, guys, how we analyze in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday and bank pips every single day. Okay, so as always mentioned, guys, the interesting part of it is you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading and you want to develop your trading skill with the live market, not the historical charts nonsense, with the live market through live intraday analysis, and you will get the feedback in real time, all of your trades during the practice. Plus you will get the live AUDUSD commentary about, because we up to date about the market situation, patterns, fundamentals, and everything in real time. That's the best way to develop your trading skill. And once you develop your trading skill, produce consistency result, then I can also help you to get funded. So this is the way we train people with the live market. So if you are interested to know how I coach and train with the live market every single day during London morning and the New York session, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. I have a very limited place, so because I don't take too many people on board, because we are very selective. So just be careful, don't miss that opportunity, and most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.